So what are hypersonic missiles and why are countries actively pursuing them? Hypersonic missiles are missiles that can fly in excess of Mach 5 speeds during their terminal phase of flight. When the missile is launched, it'll go up into the atmosphere, and instead of taking the traditional ballistic trajectory, it'll release a hypersonic glide vehicle that'll glide in excess of Mach 5 speeds towards its target. The reason for this is so the hypersonic glide vehicle could avoid radar detection, and once it reaches the enemy has no time to launch any countermeasures. Countries like China and Russia are actively pursuing hypersonic weapons in order to counteract America's naval and air defenses. Hypersonic weapons like the Zircon and the DFZF from Russia and China were built specifically to destroy American aircraft carriers and to avoid the Aegis air defense system. The United States did do research on hypersonic technology, but due to the global war on terror, it did not pursue hypersonic weapons until now. One of the hypersonic weapons that the US will deploy is the Long-Range Hypersonic Weapon, or Dark Eagle. It has a range of 1,725 miles, which exceeds that of the Tomahawk cruise missile. The reason the United States is actively pursuing hypersonic weapons is to counteract the growing Chinese naval threat. And the last reason these countries are actively pursuing hypersonic weapons is to add them to their nuclear arsenal. Because of the difficulty to intercept hypersonic missiles, those missiles will prove devastating in a nuclear exchange between global superpowers. Overall, these missiles prove a formidable threat to anyone on the receiving end of a hypersonic missile strike.